JSON. Title: 5 Proven Ways to Make $1,000 Online This Week. Script: most people spend years trying to make money online and never crack $1,000. But what if you could do it this week? Here are 5 methods that actually work right now. Number 1. Freelance writing. Businesses are desperate for content and paying $50 to $200 per article. Sign up on Upwork today and land your first client within days. Number 2. Flip products on Facebook Marketplace. Buy low from thrift stores, sell high locally. People do this part-time and clear over $1,000 weekly. Number 3. Sell a digital product. Create a simple template, checklist, or guide on Canva and list it on Gumroad. Zero inventory, pure profit. Number 4. Offer social media management. Small businesses need help and will pay $500 a month per account. Land 2 clients and you hit your goal. Number 5. Transcription work. Platforms like Rev pay you to convert audio to text, and fast typists earn over $20 an hour. Pick one method, start today, not tomorrow. If this helped you, subscribe because we drop real money strategies every single week.